Ilang buwan na rin po ako dito. So, parang 9 months na rin po ako dito sa Libgood at nakita ko po na malaki po ang naitutulong ito sa akin at saka sa aking pamilya, no? Lahat kami, mga anak. Kasi ginawa ko po siyang family business, no? Kung kaya, pilit ko po isinishare din po sa lahat ng taong maniniwala po, no? So, ang pangalan po ang pangalan po ng company na ating i-share na ngayon ay Live Good po, no? Live Good. Ang kanyang mission po naman ay napakasimple po. Grabe. Napakasimple pero very powerful po siya. Ang sabi nga niya dito, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, ibig sabihin, kasi mahal po ang magiging magpaka-healthy tayo, mahal, magastos. Pero ang company na Live Good ay ginagawa po niyang paraan para mapababa ang presyo pero mataas ang kalidad. Kaya hindi tayo masyadong magagastusan. So napakaganda po ang mission ng company. At siyempre hindi po tayo katulad ng forex or crypto investment na hihingian ka ng pera tapos bibigyan ka ng pinapangakuan ka nakikita na napakalaki. Hindi po tayo ganoon. We do not sell overpriced MLM products. No, hindi po tayo nagpapatong ng sobra-sobra. We do not ask people to buy front load of products. We do not require auto ship to earn. We do not invite people to hotel or home to sell products. Hindi po tayo nag-house to house, no? We do not keep product inventory. Hindi ka po mangangapital dito. We do not bug friends and family, no? Ito pong 5-minute video ay pakinggan po natin kasi dito pa lang magkakaroon po tayo ng idea kung ano talaga ang Live Good.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of LiveGood, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share LiveGood products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining LiveGood in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling LiveGood the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Wow, see you at the top. Galing, no? Talagang inihanda na lahat ang kailangan natin para magtagumpay sa LiveGood talaga. Okay, so itong mga taong ito na nakikita natin, ito po yung talagang naging dahilan kung bakit ang LiveGood ay umusbong, no? Okay, ito pong si Ben Glinsky, ito po yung CEO natin. Alam po natin na ang kanyang focus po is helping others, no? At and that is the very reason po na talagang ang LiveGood po talaga ay ginawa po niya, no? Itinatag po niya. At of course, Ben Glinsky knows how to help people win. Yan po ang kanyang expertise. Gusto niya maging matagumpay ang bawat tao, no? Tapos ito naman si Ryan Goodkin po, no? Siya naman po ang Director of Product Development, na kung saan lahat po ng ingredients at talagang dumadaan po sa kanyang kamay, no? Pinapag-aralan po niya maigi kung gaano ba kataas ang kalidad ng ito, no? At siyempre, sabi nga niya dito, LiveGood products utilizing only the highest quality ingredients harvested from the purest sources around the globe. Yan po si Ryan Goodkin. Talagang lahat pinapag-aralan niya, no? Ngayon, ito naman ang kanyang asawa, si Lisa Goodkin. Director naman po siya ng Product Education. Of course, she has a master degree in exercise physiology and a degree in science and nutrition, and over 20 years of experience in the health and wellness industry. Lisa knows what works and what doesn't work for people of all levels of health and fitness. Yan po siya. At siyempre, ito pong isa pa na napaka-batikan po sa ganitong industry, si Nodal Kazan. Siya rin po ang Director of Network Marketing. Siya po ang tinagurian na a legend in the network marketing industry. Nodal has a passion for helping others. His action speaks for themselves. He is a true leader po, no? Servant leader. Kaya nga sabi nga dyan dito, true leadership creates true success. Grabe po talaga. Okay. Pag-uusapan po naman natin ang tungkol po sa subscription, no? Ang company po ito ay kakaiba kasi subscription po siya. Makikita niyo po yung mga different company sa susunod kung paano sila kumikita, no? Ang Zoom, ang Netflix, ang Amazon, ang Costco, ang Sam's, grabe po sila, pare-parehas po sila at ganoon din tayo. Pero kung makikita niyo po, kumikita sila ng $1 billion. Multi-billion dollar po ang every year na kanilang revenue. So bakit ko ipinapakita ito sa inyo? Kasi one day, ganyan po ang ating kikitain din po. Magiging $1 billion industry po tayo. Kaya napakapalad po tayo lahat na nakasali na sa LiveGood. Of course, LiveGood, He's giving us a privilege membership, no? That pays. Sabi nga, ito lamang yung membership na tinatawag na kumikita ka, binabayaran ka ng company. Yung mga company na nakita nyo kanina na kumikita ng billion, ni katiting, ni single cents, wala po silang ibinabalik sa atin. No? Hindi po sila nag-o-offer ng income, pero sa atin dito sa LiveGood, kapag member ka dito at active member ka talaga, pwede kang kumita, no? Ngayon, ulitin ko po, subscription-based company po tayo, offering their membership privileges to save up to 75% less price compared to their competitors' brand. Dito parang panalo na tayo kasi binibigyan tayo ng LiveGood ng 75% discount, no? Kapag tayo po ay membro at bibili ka ng products po niya, no? Ngayon, at sabi pa ulit dito, you can earn money as a member, affiliate of LiveGood, whether or not you refer other members or affiliate to the program. Maliwanag po, pwede kang kumita kahit hindi ka nag-refer ng tao, basta't active members ka po. Active member means nagbabayad ka po ng kanyang subscription every month. Lahat po tayo ng membro. No? Ngayon, ulitin ko po, si Nodal Gazan, siya po yung network director po natin. No? Director po siya ng network marketing at siya rin po ang nagsabi na the days of selling overpriced products to a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are now over. Tapos na po yung mga maliligay araw ng mga old ways na network marketing natin. Talagang, kaya nga kakaiba tayo talaga. At siyempre, pinagmamalaki po natin, we have now over 15, actually 21 na may higit na 21, ang life-changing products natin. At saka siyempre, highest quality products po yan, no? At siyempre, different categories po ng product ang mayroon tayo. Mayroon po tayong men's health, skincare, immunity, nutrition, body cleansing, weight management, women's health, anti-aging, at saka siyempre yung energy po, pampalakas po yan. Ngayon, at siyempre, we must be proud kasi ang ating product po ay made in the USA, no? At siyempre, approved din po siya ng GMP. Ang GMP po ay Good Manufacturing Practices po yan, no? Matindi po siya. Mas mataas ang kalidad kaysa FDA, no? Ngayon, at dumaan pa tayo sa lab tested po for purity and potency. Pag sinabi mong purity and potency, talaga pong effective po siya, kakaiba po siya, no? Grabe talaga ang product natin. At siyempre, back up by product analysis. Grabe. Tayo lang po ang, sa ngayon, so far, tayo lamang po ang isang company na nagpapakita talaga ng product analysis. Other companies, itinatago po nila. Pero ang LiveGood po, inilaladlad po niya. Ngayon, ito naman po, tunghayan po natin, no? Yung product comparison po. Kung ikaw ay member ng LiveGood, bibili ka ng Super Read, halimbawa, $18 po yan. Pero kapag bibili ka sa ibang company po, yung mga competitors natin, 69.99 or 39.95. So magagastusan ka po, no? Tulad ng kape, no? Yung kape natin, yung coffee natin na organic talaga. Na sabi nga dito, organic weight loss coffee, kaya makakatulong ito sa mga gustong magpapayat, no? 17.95 po sa atin. Pero pag bibili mo yan sa ibang company, 40.50 or $35. So saan ka pa, di ba? Mag-LiveGood ka na. Ngayon, lalong-lalo na itong Super Greens, ito po yung paborito ko po. Ito po yung katumbas ng barley greens sa iba, no? Pero mas matibay sa atin kasi bukod sa mayroon tayong barley na ingredients, marami pa tayong mga mushroom, ganyan. Kompleto pa tayo. Ngayon, $18 lamang po na bibili mo yan pag member ka, pero pag sa iba mo bibili niyan, $70 or $100 po yan. Grabe po talaga, times 5, no? Ngayon, yung CBD oil na mas marami ang laman ng paninda natin at mas mataas ang kalidad pero mas mura pa uli, no? Mas mura siya, mas marami ang laman at saka mas mataas ang kalidad at $18 lamang po. Sa kabilang company, $90 po yan o kaya $80. So, saan ka pa bibili, di ba? At siyempre, yung isa sa paborito ko na produkto, yung panglalaki, no? Yung Bioactive Complete, multivitamins for men at saka for women naman yung katabi niya. At mabibili mo lamang po yan ng $9.95 kapag members ka po. At saka, pag hindi ka po membro, $17.95. So, halos kalahati po yan, no? Ito namang Methylene Blue, kung ikaw ay medyo nagkakaedad na katulad ko, ay siyempre, kailangan po natin to. $12.95 po Methylene Blue kasi enhancer po ito ng brain natin, no? Para hindi po tayo magkaroon ng Alzheimer kaagad, no? At saka yung mga kabataan na by examination, ito po ang ibigay nyo sa kanila. Ilagay po nila sa kanilang dila, ano? Matuto na po yan ang kusa. $12.95 po. Pero pag hindi ka membro, $19.95. Napakagaling po yan. Ito rin po yung kabila, yung energy and focus. Patches po ito. Kung gusto mo talagang mag-energize parati habang ikaw ay nagtatrabaho, ito po. Ay kung ikaw naman po ay hindi makatulog po, sleep patches po ang katumbas po niya. $14.95, parehas lang po silang presyo. At kapag ikaw naman po ay hindi po membro, $24.95 ang presyo po niyan. At ito rin po yung isang paborito ko na produkto. Factor 4, Advanced Inflammation Management. 18.50 po pag member ka at $24.95 po pag hindi ka membro. Ito po ang talagang paborito ko po yan. Nakakatulong po yan sa mga pain reliever at saka mga inflammation po, no? Sa atin, no? Tapos, yung collagen peptides, no? Siyempre, lahat ng gustong magpaganda, magpabata, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan po ng karamihan yan, no? $27.95, no? Or $39.95 kung anong gusto mo. Kung hindi ka membro, yan po ang presyo mo, no? At kung nais mo po na mas lalong makatipid, ito po yung, i-consider mo po itong bundle package na ito, no? Kasi sa halagang $99, mayroon ka na po 7 produkto, no? Darating sa po yan. Pero pag bibilihin mo yan sa ibang competitors natin, magagastusan ka po kasi 278.75 pag sa ibang company po yan, no? Kaya kung ako sa'yo, dito ka bumili. $99 lang. Sabi nga dito, why buy from us? No? Bakit sa Libud ka bibili? Kasi unang-una po, affordable at saka high quality products po ang nasa Libud, no? At saka siyempre, ready to ship internationally kahit saang sulok ng mundo ka. Basta't may courier, makakarating sa'yo. At saka siyempre, lahat po ng ating produkto, sabi nga dito, results are life-changing. Bakit life-changing po? Kasi because of his purity and efficacy, nagkakaroon po ng mga mararaming testimonies, no? Katulad ko po, I feel younger, di ba? Talagang lumalakas kasi because of the product, no? Ganyan po yan. At siyempre, how do I order products? Sabi nga dyan dito, order as a retail customer or member, or retail customer pay low prices, no? Or members pay much lower prices. Kaya if you ask me, I suggest be a member. Yan po, kasi malaki po ang matitipid mo. How to become a Live Good member, no? Register with your sponsor's link and pay $9.95 to become a Live Good member or stay active by paying your monthly membership, no? Live Good affiliates, no? We also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry po. Grabe po to, no? Ngayon, ito po yung mga 6 reasons why I joined Live Good. Number 1, we have amazing products. Number 2, incredible prices, no? Mura po ang presyo natin. At number 3, no auto shipping. Ibig sabihin po ng no auto shipping, hindi ka po papadahan ng products ng company hanggat hindi ka po nag-order, no? At wala po tayong obligasyon monthly para bumili ng products. Number 4, no? No monthly products to buy. At number 5 po, we have 90-day money back guarantee. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag bumili ka ng products at hindi ka po kontento, pwede mong ibalik po yan at hindi ka po tatanungin kung ano ang rason. Number 6 po, tayo po ang number 1 na pinag-uusapan ng social media, no? number one po tayo, no? Ngayon, live good opportunity. Ito po yung sinasabi ko po na mayroon tayo pero wala sa ibang company, no? Kasi dito po, pwede kang kumita ng $2,000, 47.50 every month po yan. At kahit hindi ka po nakapagpasok ng tao at hindi ka rin po nakapagbenta ng produkto. Bakit? Mayroon po tayong matrix at spillover na marinig po natin mamaya-maya ng konti, no? Kay Joanne na ating gold ranker po siya. Kaya nga, for those who are interested to make money, please stay tuned. Huwag po kayong alis, no? How to become an affiliate member? Register with your sponsor's link. At siyempre, magbabayad po tayo ng isang beses lamang po ng 49.95 sa isang buwan lamang po. At wala nang kasunod po yan. One time lang po yan. One time, lifetime na bayad po yan. At siyempre, magbabayad po tayo every month ng $9.95 para lang ma-maintain po natin yung ating membership po. Kasi ang business na ito ay subscription membership, pero kikita po tayo, no? Kahit hindi po tayo nakapagpasok ng tao at hindi po tayo nakapagtinda ng products, still we have a chance to make money, no? Yan po ang mayroon tayo na wala sa iba. Ngayon po, ano naman course dyan ang aking matatanggap or benefits kapag ako ay nagbayad ng $49.95, no? Number one po, bibigyan ka po ng LiveGood ng 3 business center with 3 replicated website po. Makikita niyo po mamaya-maya yung 3 website na yan. At website, marketing tools, and systems po, meron po tayo yan. At siyempre, you can do the business offline and online marketing education and live training from industry leaders. Pwede po kayong umattend, no? Every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, meron po tayo yan. At siyempre, una sa lahat, no? Huwag po natin kalilimutan, sabi ng LiveGood, bibigyan po tayo. Okay, he is allowing us to participate in the compensation plan po. Yan po yung pinakamalupit po yan, no? Ito po yung 3 website na ibinigay ng company sa atin na libre. Libre po ito, no? Magagamit po natin ito para magawa natin ng tama ang ating business, no? Yung corporate side po, yan po yung back office na tinatawag na kung saan makikita niyo po lahat ng inyong kinikita, ang lahat ng inyong mga tao na nasa inyo, no? Lahat po ng inyong katanungan regarding the business sa mga products, dyan nyo po makikita sa corporate side po. At siyempre, yung retail side naman po, kung may mga kakilala po tayo na ayaw mag-join ng LiveGood pero gustong bumili o kay gustong sumubok ng produktong ng LiveGood, ipadala nyo po yung link nyo. Ito yung nasa baba. Ito po ang link, no? I-copy nyo po yan tapos i-forward nyo sa kanila. Kapag sila po ay bumili, kumikita po kayo, no? Ganyan, 50% ng members price to retail price mapapasa inyo, no? Ito naman pong pangatlo, yung power landing page. Ito naman po yung, kung gusto niyo pong magpasok ng tao, dito niyo po siya ipapasok. I-click niyo po ito, ilagay niyo po ang pangalan niya at saka email address at i-click niyo po yung reserve position, automatic po nasa loob na po ng inyong website, no? At kung gusto niyo po, ipadala niyo po yung link niyo sa kanila, no? I-forward niyo po yung link niyo sa kanila at kapag inilagay po nila ang kanilang pangalan at saka email address, nagpa-reserve po sila at nagbayad, automatic. Member niyo na po sila. Grabe po, no? Okay, income disclaimer po. Ito, matutunghayan niyo na po yung compensation plan, no? Siyempre, sabihin ko po, income po are not guaranteed, no? Nakabase po yan sa personal natin na kilos at saka sa rangko. At saka, siyempre, yung group effort po. Kasi ang business na ito, hindi, nag-join ka individually pero hindi lang ikaw ang kikilos. Kasama po makakasama mo po kami lahat, no? Kaya nga group effort po ang tawag doon. So, okay, tapos na po yung first portion po. Ibibigay ko na po yung second portion po sa ating gold ranker na si Coach Joanne Serra. Take it away, Joanne.
Thank you po, Coach Jan. Okay, so dito na ako sa compensation plan naman. So makikita nyo sa screen na we have 7 ways to earn. So ganun kaganda ang LiveGood. Madaming ways of earning here. Especially all of it, the diamond bonus pool din. So 7 ways to earn. Meron tayong weekly fast start. Meron tayong matrix commissions. May matching bonuses. Tapos may retail commissions, may influencer bonuses, may diamond bonus pool, tsaka Diamond Crown Bonus Pool. Now, so sa first, ito makikita nyo, the compensation plan structure ng LiveGood will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a force matrix. So dito sa left side, makita nyo yung may apat na tao na in-sponsor yung person dito. So you can sponsor as many as you want, direct kahit 100 person, infinite wide, pwede kang mag-sponsor kahit marami. Then, sa kabila naman, yung force matrix, ito yung sabing force matrix, all members are placed in the 2x15 matrix, which is maiintindihan nyo later sa mga susunod na slides about the matrix itself. So, let's say yung nag-sponsor ka ng apat, like nakita nyo dito, apat in-sponsor niya for this week. Tapos, pagdating ng Friday, ilalagay ng system yon sa matrix. Ang system maglalagay ng mag-distribute sa matrix nun. So, itong apat na to, ilalagay, ikaw yun nandito sa taas, sa una, ilalagay niya dito yung dalawa, no? So, yung dalawa, mapupunta dun sa ilalim ng dalawa na una. So, yun tinatawag nating spillover. Pumupunta yung the last two sa ilalim ng first two, which you will understand later yung yung matrix. So yung weekly fast start bonus levels is up to 10 levels deep. So every time na nagre-refer ka, mag-join sila $49.95, you will be paid by LiveGood $25 the next week. So every Thursday dito sa Canada, sa North America, natatanggap namin yung commission every Thursday. In the Philippines, it will be every Friday. So matatanggap nyo every referral. The next week, may $25. Kapag may ni-refer kang dalawa, bawi mo na yung $50 na binayad mo for your first month. So now, ito yung 10 levels deep na sinasabi natin that you can earn up to 10 levels deep of. So, first level yung unranked, meaning wala ka pang nalalagay na tao. Pag nag-enroll ka, nag-sponsor ka, you will get 50%. So yun yung sinasabi natin, you will get $25 the next week. So ito yon sa unranked. Now, when you have two people na na-sponsor na dalawa na nalagay mong tao, you will be promoted to bronze. So pag bronze ka, you will receiving another bonuses, which is the level 2 na 10%. So yung mga ni-sponsor ng first level, may sponsor ng direct mo, nag-enroll sila ng friends nila, you will be receiving 10%. So yung 10% na yun is $5. Another $5 for you, every members na ina-enroll ng mga members mo. Now, so once you were promoted to silver rank, so 4 na level naman ito, so 4 levels deep naman ito. So first level, 50% nga, and then 10% sa second, and the level 3 and level 4 parehong 5%. So you will receiving $2.50 for the level 3 and level 4. Once you reach the gold rank, you will be receiving up to the level 6. So level 5, another 3% na matatanggap mo. At saka level 6 mo, makakatanggap ka naman ng 2%. And platinum naman, up to level 8 naman siya. So another 2% na naman sa level 7 and 1% sa level 8. And when you are in the diamond, it will be up to level 10. So another 1% for level 9 and 10. So palalim ng palalim. So makikita nyo dito yung mga commission niya nasa mga 50 cents na lang sa pinakababa, di ba, sa diamond. If it's kahit 50 cents yon, malaki na yung organization mo. So mag-a-add up lahat yon. So ito na yung 2x15 matrix monthly commission. So this is yung parang tinitreat natin na kaya money later siya. Kasi ito yung parang pension, retirement savings natin na we were paying the subscription, then later on, pag napuno yung matrix, makakakuha ka ng when you are in level 12, napuno yung matrix, wala kang nilagay na tao, wala kang unranked, nakalagay ito unranked, di ba, level 12. But pag napuno na yung matrix, eventually mga 2 to 5 years, kasi ito yung parang long term natin, you will be receiving 2,047.50. And then once you put people naman, meron kang 2 taon nilagay or naging silver ka, bronze and silver, you will be enjoying also the level 13, no? Pag nasa level 13 na yung matrix full na siya up to level 13, you will be receiving 4,095.50 na doble siya. Na doble yung ano mo, yung monthly mo. Pero kung naging gold and platinum ka naman, level 14 naman, hanggang level 14 makakatanggap ka, it will be 8,191.50. And diamond, sa level 15, yun yung maximum. Sa 2x15 natin, diamond is 16,383.50. So yung matrix, yun yung sinasabi natin, nakita nyo yung sa first slide na ang sa first level mo 2, sa second level mo 4. So yung mga iba na pupunta na sa ilalim ng mga nasa una-una. So yun yung tinatawag natin spillover. Ang system ang nagde-distribute yan sa matrix mo. So as I've said earlier, yung level 1 to level 12 unranked, you will be earning 2,047.50 when your matrix is full. And level 13, 4,095.50. Gold and platinum naman sa level 14 is 8,191.50. And diamond, 16,383.50. Makikita nyo yung ano niya, yung conversion niya in peso, malaki talaga. Kahit sa unrank ka lang, 2,047.50, 114,660. But if you really want to earn more and faster, you share the business, you share Live Good kasi mas malaking kikitain mo kaysa yung unrank ka lang kasi inaantay mo lang doon yung matrix lang which is will take longer, no? So yung sa bronze and silver, ang 4,095 yung income mo sa matrix, it will be 229,000 in pesos. And gold and platinum, 8,191.50, it will be 458,724 pesos. And diamond, 16,383.50, it will be almost 1 million na in pesos, 917,000. So talagang malaki siya. So mas better na talagang you really work for this and then you will be earning more. Kasi yung pagka hindi ka mag-share, inaasahan mo lang matrix lang. Maraming bonuses, di ba? We have 7 bonuses. So example dito sa bronze, if you are a bronze, yung usually pagka nag-enroll ako, I encourage people to put their family first before you put your friends kasi magbe-benefit sila sa matrix, di ba? Kasi may spill over yung iba sa ilalim nila. So magbe-benefit sila sa matrix commission. So dito sa example na ito, you are a bronze, so you are earning 4,095.50 being a bronze. Now, your family, 2 family members income from matrix is, since they are not bronze, they are only unranked, so 2,047.50 each sila. So total of 4,095 for both of them, di ba? Now, matching bonus, makakatanggap ka ng matching bonus sa first level mo. So meron kang 2,047.50 sa kanilang dalawa, ni matching bonus. So pag i-add mo sila lahat, it will be $10,238, di ba? Laki. It will be 500,000 in pesos. So talagang malaking income to for your family. Pagka meron ka namang 30 direct referral, let's say, and then all of them are earning 6,000 a month, ang matching bonus mo for each of them will be 3,000 kasi half, 50%, so 3,000. So when you multiply that with 30, 3,000, it will be $90,000. And that will be 5 million in pesos for the 30 direct. So you can direct even 50 or 100, so mas malaki ang income mo. The more people na nasa direct mo, the higher your income for the matching bonus. So 20 direct referral naman, these 20 are not bronze, they are just unranked. So 2,047.50 earnings nila per month being an unranked, and you will get the matching bonus for each of them is 1,023.75. When you multiply that to 20, it will be 20,475. So that's 1,146,000. Mas malaki. Palaki ng palaki. So, maganda. Ito pa lang, second waist pa lang yun. Wala pa yung, third waist pa lang yun. Marami pang yung mga next bonuses. So, ito naman yung 5 generations deep na matching bonus. Retirement money to. Kasi malaki to. Ito yung pinakamalaking chunk of income ng Live Good, the matching bonus. So, when you refer, di ba, when you refer, you get 50%. So, for the first person, ang earnings niya is 1,000. So, 50% of that is 500. And then the next person, meron siyang 500 na earnings. So, half of that is 250. The next one is 100 and then there will be 50 for you. And then 200 for the last, you will be 100. So, total of $900 just for the first 4 persons. First 4 person na ano mo. So, yung kung mas marami, mas talaga, malaki. So, ito yung 5 generations deep na talagang malaking incomes ng mga bonuses dito kasi once you reach the diamond, 73% ang matatanggap mo sa first generation. So, for this one, first generation, you're going to get 50% for your direct. And then when you become silver, you get another 10%. Pag naging gold ka naman, another 5% sa direct mo. One person lang yun ha, yung ina-earn mo for the one person lang. And then, when you become platinum, you're earning another 5% and then diamond another 3%. So i-total mo yan, 73% you will be earning for your first diamond, first generation. So when you get another, for the second generation, let's say you get another diamond, the second generation, you will get silver 10%, gold 5%, platinum another 5%, and diamond 3%. So that's a total of 23% for your second generation that you're going to earn. And the next third generation, you will be earning gold 5%, platinum 5%, and diamond 3%. So that's a total of 13%. And the fourth generation, you will be earning platinum as 5% and diamond 3%. A total of 8%. So ang pinaka-last, yung fifth generation, yung diamond, you will be earning another 3%. So when you're a diamond, you'll be really earning lots here kasi itong bonuses is 73%, 23%, 13%, 8%, 3%. So sobrang yaman mo na, pwede mo nang bumili ng mga resorts, masyal. Diba? So ito yung niya, yung chart niya sa mga percentage. You can take a picture of this and then meron kang basis. At least may makita mo na malaki pala pag maging diamond ka talaga. Tinan mo lahat hanggang 5th generation, 3%. Sobrang laki. Sabi nga nung isang presenter is, yung sa Philippines siya na, you can even buy the dreams of your neighbor. Kasi ganun kalaki na income mo when you reach up to the 5th generation enjoying it. So this is another bonus that you're going to have, the influencer bonuses. Ano tong influencer bonuses? You can earn up to 100% of the difference between member price and retail price. So yung mga mahilig mag social media, mag TikTok, mag Reels, sinishare nyo pinapakita nyo yung product, you like this product and then you're sharing it to social media na titry nyo tong product na to. So when people buy from your website, yung Shop Live Good website nyo, yung retail store nyo, and then your total retail sales per month is 2,500, you will be receiving additional commission of 10%. So total of 60% ang marireceive mo. Pero kung umabot ka naman ng, let's say dito, maximum is 50,000 ang total volume of sales mo for that month, you will be receiving another 50%. So it total of 100%. Malaki ang bonus na binibigay na addition. So dito naman sa retail, yung retail commission naman, you earn 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. So ito, let's say yung friend mo ayaw naman nilang sign up, gusto nila maging member lang, so bibili sila sa retail store mo. Ang Live Good, they will deliver the products to them and then you will be receiving the commission the next week kasi ang retail commission is every week. Ang fast start tsaka retail is every week. Ang matrix tsaka matching bonus is every month. payday is every Thursday. So every first Thursday of the month, you will be receiving 2 bonuses, weekly and the monthly. So dito yung retail commission nga, matatanggap nyo the following week, the 50%. So wala ka ng hassle na ikaw magbibili ng product and you give it to your customer. Yung customer is like Amazon that they will just buy it from your site. And then the commission dito is the same as the fast start that you will be earning up to the 10 levels deep. Same as the fast start. The diamond bonus pool, this is the luxury bonuses bucket. So 2% of the total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all diamond rank affiliates. So kung ma-reach mo na yung diamond na yun, meron ka na talagang monthly. It's like profit sharing. You have a share from the company. So kung ano yung total sales, 2% nun, ibibigay nila sa lahat ng diamonds yun. So i-divide nila yun sa lahat ng diamonds na naging diamonds na. Like right now, yung mga diamonds sa Pilipinas, minsan nakakatanggap sila ng mga $2,000, $3,000 diamond bonus pool lang yun. Wala pa yung matching bonus nila, wala pa yung matrix bonuses, tsaka yung other bonuses nila. Just the diamond bonus pool. And the next one is the crown diamond bonus pool. So you'll be receiving another 0.5% of total sales from all membership and product sales, divided equally among all the crown diamond rank. So right now, we only have 2 diamond. We have one in the US, City Miller, and then we have one in the Philippines, Fernan Santiago. So silang dalawa lang naghahati sa Crown Diamond bonus pool. So sometimes yung paghati nilang dalawa, yung each of them will be receiving $30,000. $30,000 Crown Diamond bonus pool na yun. So pag i-total minsan yung mga income nila, like yung si Tim Miller, his income last December is about $96,000 in 1 month. Kasi malaki yung Crown Diamond bonus pool. So, ang goal talaga natin is, of course, is to hit the diamond rank kasi yun ang parang talagang ka na, stable, secured ka na talaga. So, top reasons to join Live Good. Live Good Leadership. We just officially launched globally. We have in over 205 countries. We have the highest quality and very affordable health products. We have the most powerful system in the industry, marketing system, tools, and training. We have a simple, powerful, but lucrative compensation plan. Nakita nyo naman yung compensation plan talagang very generous. And then we have a Live Good community. We have a good support system sa buong mundo. And our team, we are proud to say, Team Spartan and Team Awesome, we are very supportive sa team namin. So talagang it's really best na ma-enjoy nyo lahat itong mga support, mga resources and everything. And these are the diamonds right now. Actually, mas marami pa lang nadagdag na dito. So ito yung mga diamond dito. Nakita nyo sa upper left, si Tim Miller tsaka si Fernan Santiago. Yun yung 2 crown diamond. And we have diamonds sa different countries na rin. So sa Philippines, I think we have about 20 plus mga diamonds na doon sa dyan sa Philippines. So the next big thing. So ngayon, as of now, 1,145,000 ang subscribers worldwide for 15 months. So 15 months, meron na tayong 1,145 subscribers. Ganon kaganda ang Live Good, ganon kabilis. And kung sabihin mo 1 million, so nandito pa tayo sa tip ng iceberg, no? Kasi the first 5 million, kita nyo dito sa picture, will be just the water level. So when it reach 1 billion subscribe, in the 3 to 5 years, ang target is will be reaching 1 billion subscribers. So nakita nyo di ba sa Amazon, Netflix dati na kanina na the higher na yung net worth nila kasi mga billion na na yung company. So ganun kaganda ang subscription talaga. Lumalaki siya. Now, this is the upcoming event na we are looking forward to. The Live Good going to Las Vegas, April 19 to 21. Pupunta kami dyan ni Coach Jan, tsaka yung mga si Ate Mirna, tsaka iba pang mga kasama namin dito sa Canada. So exciting. And then we will share, of course, yung mga videos and pictures when we were there. So ngayon, tapos na yung presentation ko. We can open for question and answer. Nandito pa ba si
Galing.
Jan ah?
Oo, galing, galing. Thank you, excellent.
Thank you.
Sino po yung may question sa atin?